Welcome back to the bench. Digging into another one here. This one's getting same thing, custom face. I believe it's the all white with either blue or black lettering. No amp in this one. It's getting variable power, which is rigged up in this one like the last one, not the correct way. All electrical taped together. On the high end of the variable power, bring it up to 3. The swing completely disappears. I'll show you on the meter, just like the last one we just did. Bring the dead key up to 3. Yellow. Yeah, the power is not stable, so you lose everything. Cut it back down to like 1.5 watts, and you'll bring back your swing. Yellow. So we're gonna fix that, eliminate all this, set the transistor up on the other side, up against the heatsink back there for the variable power. We'll rig that all up. I'm gonna get rid of this color changing LED because I can't stand these things, and put a 6K white one in there. We're gonna do the lighting upgrade on it. The blue switchback on the TX-RX light, a blue channel display, custom face swing kit. Gonna recap in some areas, some high grade audio caps in certain spots, board screws, lube and clean all these switches. Just do a complete refresh on this thing. So basically starting off right where we did before, like I said, the hacked up variable power, which means this thing does have a swing kit in it, but we're gonna change that all around. So that's the beginning of it. I'll be back when I dig a little further into this one. This one is getting echo, by the way. It's not getting an amp, but it is going to get echo installed, I believe, on the Delta tune. We're going to eliminate it and put it there. Alright, so I'm going to get to work on this thing. We'll be back. Alright, checking the receiver out here. Decent receiver, here and down to 117, 99% modulation. Modulation down. 75%, still hear it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but still there. Down to 50, it starts to fade. Let's check for S9. S9's a little bit off, so we'll have to readjust that. But all in all, receiver's working. Let's see if we can get it a little bit more sensitive, get a little more out of it after the build when we dial it in. But all right, that's the receiver. Let's get to work. All right, we got our transistor all mounted into the heatsink there. Insulator, heatsink compound all cleaned up. Now we're gonna wire this thing in. So what we're gonna do is these wires are gonna come off of here. This resistor is going to come off of here, and we're going to do this the right way to stabilize the power on the variable power. So the back leg, and well, both legs are going to come up wired to this. I'm going to wire that into the RF gain control, which is going to control your variable power, which is already set up on this. We're just going to set it up the right way. I'm going to pull 12 volts right from the power switch on the orange side, so when you turn it on, it gets power. Shut it off, power to the resistor is done. But this has already got the cap in it for the swing mod, so we're just going to clean it up and actually make it function the way that it's supposed to. So I'm going to wire up the variable power, and then we're going to get this echo board installed, and we'll take the face off and do the complete lighting upgrade. So we'll be back. Alright, we got the echo board all mounted in, braced up to the chassis. That's mounted in here. Transistor all mounted in there. We're all wired in for our variable power control for the echo on the front. Got the face done on here. It's upside down right now because I still have to do the receive and transmit alignment. But meter light upgraded to white LED, RXTX blue to red, channel display. The tops of the digits weren't working before, so we replaced that with a blue one. Just did the wiring cleanup in here, zip tying everything back up, getting everything back to normal. I'm gonna do a little bit of quality control, go over some solder joints on the back of this thing, tighten the board screws down, do all that fun stuff, clean and deoxide all these switches quick, and then we're going to put it back together, and well, not put it back together, we're going to get it hooked up and do the alignment on it quick. But just wanted to show you how far along we are. So I'm going to jump in here and do the receive alignment and the transmit alignment quick, and then we'll put it back together and see what it's doing on the meter now that it's all done. So alright, we'll be back. Alright, so we got this one all wrapped up. Lighting upgrades all done. Face is on. All the knobs have been cleaned and put back on. Everything's been lubed and cleaned. Dialed in for S9. Everything's all set. This one's ready to rock and roll. So, in the meter now, RF power. We can bring the dead key down to nothing. Bring it up to 4 watts. We'll set it at 1. I'll show you the swing. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, audio. So just shy of 15. That's with a dead key of 1. Remember before, the way the dead key was set up, it would bottom out. So now we'll go up to 3, because with a high dead key it would only swing about 6, because the power wasn't stable. So now we're up to 3. Yeah. So you basically get the same power out of it. So back over here, echo control, label properly on the front, and your RF power for your dead key is right here. Full lighting upgrade, RX TX light, switches to red when you're in transmit mode. And you saw everything else we did inside with the echo board mounted in there, all the wiring cleaned up, couple cap upgrades, swing kit, good talking radio. So we did the receive upgrade. The receiver's hearing all the way down to minus 127. See if we can get any over the air. Kind of late, so could be completely dead. But it's all working, so check it out on the store.